Good evening, parents, and welcome to Marlborough Elementary School for our Meet the Teacher night this evening. Thanks for joining us. You may have heard about four little letters here at Marlborough, PBIS, and you might be wondering, hey, what do those letters stand for? Well, PBIS stands for Positive Behavior, Interventions, and Supports. Now you're probably wondering, now that I know what PBIS stands for, what is it? PBIS is an initiative that is federally funded. It is a three-tiered framework for improving and integrating all of the data, systems, and practices affecting student outcomes every day. It is a way to support all students and create the kind of schools where all students are successful. For example, we have a strategic decision-making process in this school. We also find positive ways to support staff and student behavior. Beginning this year, we will also be asking all teachers to teach social-emotional learning in their classrooms through the Second Step curriculum. What does PBIS look like at Marlborough? The PBIS team at Marlborough, comprised of parent representation and intermediate unit support, meets monthly. We develop and teach school-wide positive behavior expectations in settings like the playground, the cafeteria, recess, assemblies, hallways, and in the classroom. We also have data collection tools and decision-making tools to help us understand different occurrences of behavior. This is a continuous improvement cycle, so next year and throughout this school year and in subsequent years, we will be actively looking at ways to improve our processes. We also recognize staff and students for demonstrating appropriate behavior. Now that you know a little bit about what PBIS means here at Marlborough, here are our Marlborough Expectations. We teach all students to be safe, be responsible, be kind, be respectful, and be resilient. So you might be asking, what do the 5 B's look like in our cafeteria? Here are some ways that we teach students to utilize and demonstrate the 5 B's in our cafeteria. Keep their lunch to themselves, waiting your turn, and using good manners, such as saying please and thank you. Here are some ways that we teach the 5 B's on the playground: listening to adults, taking turns, and putting equipment back when finished. Here are some ways that students can demonstrate the 5 B's in the classroom: by keeping their materials organized, staying focused in class, continuing to try when students make a mistake, and keeping hands, feet, and objects to yourself. So now that you know a little bit about PBIS here at Marlborough, you might be asking, how can I support PBIS at home? So we do ask that all parents do their best to be a good role models for their children. We certainly welcome you to talk about the 5 B's while you're at home and reinforce these expectations in the household. We also hope that you can implement clear, consistent expectations for your child's behavior while they are at home. Check out our B-Bucks over here to the left. You may see your child bring these home periodically throughout the school year. This means that they have been recognized for demonstrating the 5 Bs in the classroom or throughout various school settings. If they come home with one of these B-Bucks, it means that they have been safe, kind, respectful, responsible, or resilient in our school that day. We encourage you to talk to your child about why they may have received one of our special B-Bucks. Students can then earn these B-Bucks and use them to purchase small goodies from the school store. We hope that you found this short presentation about PBIS here at Marlborough informative. Please reach out to your teachers if you wish to know more information. We hope that we can make this the best school year ever. Thanks for joining us this evening.